In the next couple of minutes, I will show you how to buy hosting from Hostinger. Hostinger is currently one of the top choices for website hosting platforms due to its remarkable speed and cost-effectiveness. Additionally, there's a special discount available via the first link in the video description below. This will reduce the price of your selected hosting plan. Remember to use this link to access the site, where you'll head to the hosting section at the top of the page and select website hosting. As you browse through the various plans, I suggest opting for the premium web hosting package, as it fulfills all our requirements and includes a free domain, ensuring your website's name is part of this deal. When adding this to your cart, you'll have to decide on the duration of your hosting payment. The most economical choice is the 48-month plan, ideal if you plan to operate your website for several years. However, if you're uncertain about such a long-term commitment, shorter duration plans are also available. If you qualify for the free domain, choose from 12, 24, or 48-month options. For demonstration purposes, I'll select the 12-month plan here. Next, you'll need to enter your email address, choose your payment method, and use the coupon code OLUX132 for an extra discount. Enter your payment details, finalize the transaction, and set a password for your Hostinger account. After logging in, head straight to your dashboard by clicking the Hostinger logo at the top. The next step is to claim your free domain. Click on I'll claim domain and select a suitable extension, with the .com being highly recommended. However, if .com isn't available for your desired name, .net or .co are good alternatives. Aim for a domain name that's memorable and free from unusual characters or numbers. For this guide, I'll randomly use digitalsolutionsguide.com and check its availability. Once confirmed, claim your domain by filling in the necessary contact information and proceed. To verify your domain, check your email for a verification link. Clicking this will confirm your email address, allowing you to close those tabs and refresh your Hostinger dashboard. You should now see your domain as active and your email verified.